Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and choose Apps over here. Then you need to click on Dual Apps and tap on Create. Finally, click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. In my case, it will be Amazon Shopping. Now tap on Turn On and wait! Now when I click Home button, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!